everybody, my name is Josephine Reeder, and I'm an Assistant Admissions Director here at Becker College. I'm excited to make this video for you today, which is all about what we as admissions counselors do and how you can utilize us. So firstly, we are here to answer any and all of your questions, from the application process to your admissions decision, financial aid, and residence life. We can answer your questions. We can also connect you to other people on campus. So if you have a question and you're not sure who to ask your admissions counselor and they can connect you to the right person. Now, at this point, you might be asking yourself, how do I know who my admissions counselor is? Well, we make it very easy for you. All you have to do is log into your applicant portal at apply.becker.edu/apply. It will tell you who your admissions counselor is and how to contact them. You can also schedule one-on-one meetings with your admissions counselors. You can do so on our website at becker.edu/campus visits. If you scroll down to the header that says Connect One-on-One with my admissions counselor, you can follow the directions to schedule a Zoom or a phone call with your admissions counselor. Now, the other thing we want to talk about is for all of you accepted students who are watching. First of all, congratulations on your acceptance. We are thrilled to offer you admission to Becker College, and we are very excited at the prospect of you joining us in the fall. If you're ready to make the commitment to Becker College and secure your spot in our incoming fall class, the next step is to pay your deposit. Once you pay your deposit, we can get you your class schedule, housing application, and coaches can reach out about next steps for athletics if you're a student athlete. You can pay your deposit on our website by going to becker.edu/admissions/accepted-students. Look for the blue Pay My Deposit button, and that will take you to a secure site to make your payment. One more time, that's becker.edu/admissions/accepted-students. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out and schedule your one-on-one appointment with your admissions counselor on our website at becker.edu/campus visits. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.